everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your average Filipina Nika, your Tita 18 right here. And today we are going to be reacting to Josh's vlog, the recent vlog that he uploaded a day ago. He was trending on Twitter, so I wonder what happened to this one. His video is only 8 minutes, so I wonder what did he do to make this vlog very special, to make this unboxing really special. Yes, and also this is my very first time reacting to his vlog. So without further ado, mga taga-barbecuehan dyan, join me as I react to unboxing my silver play button. Winasak ng SB19. Kaya pala, Winasak talagang nawasak. Alright, let's dive into this reaction video. Let's go. Hala, my God.
Decided na magbalik sa YouTube for my first vlog.
Yeah, the comeback. Huh? Oh no! That's the reason why he was trending on Twitter. Is that why? He smashed his silver button. Is that why?
Hello guys, kumusta kayo lahat? At ngayong araw, YouTube.
Congratulations, Josh. It's been a while. Yes. Pag-buy niya ng car. I was very proud seeing him buying his car.
Magbalik sa YouTube at ipagpatuloy ko ano yung nasimulan ko. Siyempre, marami tayong naging schedules, naging busy kami as SB19, pero ngayon, i-make sure ko na maging mas consistent na ako.
Sabi mo yan, ha?
First vlog.
Once a week vlog, ha, Josh? Congratulations!
Aking silver play button, diba?
Wow!
Nabuksan ko na ito. Na-unbox natin to. Nagpunta kasi kami short na.
Na-unbox mo na pala eh. So, hindi pala talaga to unboxing. Talagang ipapakita mo lang sa amin yung silver play button mo, diba? Ipapakita mo lang, nang iinggit ka lang, but you really deserve your silver play button, Josh. And I'm hoping that you would have more content soon kasi everyone would love to see the other side of you outside of SB19.
Last time.
I really love their Siargao contents.
Alam niyo ba, sa Siargao, ang surfing...
Ito yung hindi nakasama si Ken, di ba?
Hindi lang yan mga puso, surfing! As ang mga nangyari, hindi maganda yung pagkaka-unbox ko kasi para maraming aberya, umulan, beach side, yung magandang view na pinaplano ko. Hindi ko rin siya doon nabuksan. Pero ito,
talagang binitbit niya yung silver play button niya.
Ito lang, medyo sira-sira na yan. Ayun, saan na natin siya?
At ka na first time mong nakita yung silver play button mo.
Ito yung first letter. Do you remember your first subscriber? Wow. Your 100, your 1,000 subscribers. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely do remember your 100K subscribers.
Nahirapan si Josh magsalita kasi because of his braces. I feel like that's because of his braces.
Keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. And we're here to support you along the way. I'm really
Sure. Ang cute ni Josh.
Ngayon ulit tayo nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob at manpower. Ganun. Thank you so much, YouTube. Ito na.
Congratulations!
Kala talaga, hindi pa nabubuksan. Pero marami nang pinagdaanan to. Presented to Josh Colin Santos for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Hala! Hala ka, my God! Hala ka, Lord! Did he really throw his silver play button? Did he just smash?
Yung na to, kailangan natin palitan ng gold button. Since mag-i-active na tayo, kailangan po...
Still, hindi rin ni-catch ni Stel. He didn't catch it.
Natin ma-achieve talaga yun. Kaya tulungan niyo po ako.
But, you know what? The silver play button is durable. Look at it naman. Hindi siya nabasa, guys.
kayang-kaya natin yan. Uy! May dent na agad.
Ha? Hindi nga.
Kasalanan. Hindi na nga.
Is it dented? Hala! Hala ka? Hindi nga. Hindi. Binagsak din ni Justin? Wait lang. Oh my God. Hala! Hindi. Peke ba itong play button, guys? Or talagang yun yung play button niya? Or, you know, binubudol lang tayo ng mga to? Hala!
First of all, syempre gusto ko pasalamatan yung mga nanonood sa akin lagi. 18, sa mga casual viewers na lagi.
Binagsak ni Stel.
And family, of course. Thank
At
you so much.
saka ni Justin. Nasha-shock ako. Yung iba talagang iniingatan yung mga silver play button nila. Ito si Josh talagang binagsak, tinapon, SB19 members.
As Josh, sinasamahan niyo pa rin ako.
What's the point of that?
Kaya very thankful ako na nakuha ko to. Every special moment na may mangyayari sa akin.
Of course, silver play button really signifies what you've gone through, what you've been through in your channel.
Ganun kayo ka-special sa akin. Baka naman may gusto ko sabihin sa akin. Wala ka man short dedication dyan. Alam mo sa ano?
Congrats kasi naka-silver play button. Pero sana ngayon meron ka ng manpower. Pero naman si Pagi ka na mag-YouTube.
Idol na to, idol na. Subscribe ka sa YouTube ni Stel.
Hindi, gagaling ka magsalita kung natanggal yung braces mo. Kaya para po sa
Yan eh.
pakitanggal na po kasi hirap na hirap po siya magsalita.
Yun na nga yung napansin ko, mahirap siya magsalita.
Tapos nasasabi niya yung laway ko.
Very good. Napaka-meaningful. Siguro mas makikita nyo yung side ko na...
Si Ken na lang at saka si Pablo.
Ginagawa ko since medyo natatapos na yung pandemic. Sana hindi ma-jinx. Marami na tayong gagawin.
Oh,
So I'm open
knock
to
on
any
wood.
challenges, collaborations. Masasuggest nyo rin. And of course, siguro...
Collaboration with Donna Lynn. Yes, ipagpatuloy niyo yung ginawa ni Donna. Ayaw!
Ayun. Thank you so much, guys. Ganda.
Maraming salamat sa pag-support kay George.
Everyone is thanking
I hope na patuloy niyo pa rin sa
everybody.
lahat ng itim. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Kasi alam ko, nandito kayo sa bilang na 100,000. Ayun, patuloy niyo sa pagpapalin ni George. Siyempre,
Salamat. Mahal TF dyan pa nagsasalita. Words. Tatanang buhay niya. This is my first silver play button. Besides dun sa grupo ko. Pero ito yung sariling milestone na thankful ako. Kaya
Yes.
naman, salamat po sa mga nanonood ng vlog ko. Kung mayroon kayo mga suggestions at mga gusto mo makita sa mga future vlogs ko, sabihin niyo lang po kasi itong silver play button na to. Yeah, kasi ito gusto mo mag-message.
Oh! Hindi. Hala.
Hindi naman ka dapat saluhin mo.
Emotional damage. I like that guy.
congratulations kasi 100 subscribers.
Silver play.
Nagmamayabang ka, Pablo?
Sabi niya na tuloy kasi tingnan mo, si Jackson yung paano niya, no? Ayan, mga mobile ko na SB19. Mobile ko na salamat sa welcome sa akin sa YouTube ulit.
Nice.
Matibay. Parang kulang pa eh. Alam niyo ano talaga to eh. Silver play button, durability.
Ayun na nga sabi ko eh. Durability test.
Sasaluhin nila. Pag sira-sira na siya, kapag kompleto na yung marks niya, parang buhay lang yun eh. Kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan natin, yun yung nagpapatibay sa atin.
You know what, guys? Yan yung pananaw ni Josh eh. So we just have to respect it. Sa kanya naman yan eh. Hala! Pati yung kaya!
Sila nga wala kang kaya. So sila wala kang kaya.
Hi, Kaya! Ang cute ng Kaya!
Sa amin, si Alexa, Sophia, Cherise, kaya nila. Kaya mo.
Yes, nalilito ako kay Angela at saka kay Cherise, guys ha. So, pasensya na. Ayun! Saluhin mo, Sophia! Saluhin mo! Very supportive si Josh sa sister group niya, no?
Pero alam niyo guys, bakit ko pinato to?
Oh, yes, Josh, please explain. Kasi medyo na-shock nga ako, Josh.
Para syempre sirain lang ng walang sense. Kaya ako siya binabato at ginagano. Syempre, ano to eh, first silver play button ko. Ang goal ko talaga, syempre, to have the gold play button immediately. Kasi nga, sabi ko sa sarili ko, you have to aim higher than your goal, di ba? Siguro, kakayanin ko yun na in a few months, diba? In a few months, na talagang
Hindi imposible mangarap, Josh.
magsisipag tayo at makikita natin.
Sipagan mo lang yung mga contents mo, ha? Ilan pala yung contents mo sa YouTube?
Naka-display kahit marami siyang gas-gas, maalala ko pa rin, ito pa rin yung unang silver play button. For ano na rin, for fun content, gusto ko na siyang i-try kung matibay talaga, pero sobrang tibay. Parang tayo lang.
Acha! Yes, parang ikaw lang. Acha.
Afford na niyan, bilihan kayo ng steak isa-isa.
Ayun, yun na yun. Yun na yun. Now I understand why Josh trended on Twitter. Oh my God, it was shocking. A lot of YouTubers really take care of their silver play button, but as we saw, Josh was just like smashing his silver play button, throwing it all over the places. And even the SB19 members were like doing it for him as well, like smashing it on the floor. That was shocking, but we just gotta have to how do you call this? We just gotta have to respect why he did that. He explained it naman eh. So yes, that's it for my reaction, my very first reaction of Josh's vlog, and it really shocked me. Hindi ko napigilan. So guys, thank you so much sa mga taga-barbecuehan dyan. Thank you for being with me. Take care. God bless. Be kind to the people that you encounter. God bless. Bye.